Hey there! Thinking about a trip to Japan? It's one of those magical destinations that seems to have it all. Breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, incredible food, and yes, plenty of fun for the whole family. But here's the best part. Despite its reputation as an expensive country, Japan can actually be an amazing budget-friendly destination for families. You just need to know where to go, what to do, and how to make the most of your time. And today, that's exactly what we're going to show you. So first, where should you stay? Well, the good news is, Japan has tons of family-friendly areas that are easy to navigate, packed with kid-friendly attractions and full of affordable stays. Whether you're looking for the buzz of the city, a peaceful nature escape, or a little bit of both, there's a perfect spot for your family. If you're visiting for the first time, Tokyo is a must. It's a massive city, but don't let that intimidate you. There are plenty of areas that are super convenient for families. You'll find fun theme parks, interactive museums, and beautiful parks where kids can run around and explore. Plus, public transport is so efficient that you'll never feel overwhelmed. Oh, and Tokyo is one of the cleanest cities in the world. Trust us, you won't see any litter anywhere. But maybe you're looking for something a little slower paced? Then Kyoto is where you want to be. This city is all about history, temples, and peaceful gardens where kids can learn and explore. It's got that traditional Japan feel, but don't worry, it's still got all the modern conveniences that make traveling with children stress-free. Now, if your family loves food and fun, Osaka is unbeatable. It's known as Japan's kitchen, and trust me, even the pickiest eaters will find something they love. And when you're not busy eating delicious street food, you can check out one of the city's amazing attractions, like a world-class aquarium, exciting amusement parks, and colorful shopping streets that feel like something straight out of a cartoon. Looking for something totally different? Okinawa is Japan's island paradise, and it's a perfect spot for families who want a mix of culture, nature, and beach time. You'll find crystal clear water, family-friendly resorts, and fun cultural experiences that'll introduce kids to Japan's island traditions. It's like a tropical vacation, but with that unique Japanese twist. And finally, if your family loves winter fun, then Hokkaido should be on your list. It's home to some of the best snow in the world, with amazing winter festivals, fun snow parks, and even hot spring resorts that welcome kids. Plus, if you visit in summer, it transforms into a stunning landscape of flower fields and outdoor adventure spots. Now let's talk about what you can do. Japan is packed with unforgettable experiences that are perfect for young travelers. Imagine seeing real-life sumo wrestlers, wandering through magical bamboo forests, or even visiting a ninja village where kids can dress up and try out fun challenges. And of course, no trip to Japan is complete without a little pop culture fun. Whether that means meeting Pikachu in a Pokemon Center, stepping into the world of Ghibli, or riding the iconic bullet train, which is an adventure in itself. One of the best things about Japan, it's amazing all year round. If you visit in spring, you'll get to see the famous cherry blossoms. Kids love running around under the pink trees. Summer is packed with festivals, fireworks, and beaches. Autumn brings stunning red and gold leaves, perfect for family walks. And winter? Well, if your family loves skiing or just playing in the snow, Japan has some of the best winter spots in the world. Packing for Japan is pretty simple, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Comfortable shoes are a must because you'll be walking a lot, and depending on when you visit, you'll want to pack accordingly. Warm coats for winter, light clothes for summer, and maybe even a compact stroller if you've got little ones. And here's a tip. Convenience stores in Japan are a lifesaver. You can grab quick meals, snacks, and even emergency supplies without spending a fortune. But beyond the sights, what makes Japan such a great family destination is the experience itself. It's safe, clean, and incredibly welcoming to children. You'll find playgrounds, baby changing stations, and kid-friendly attractions everywhere you go. But the best part? Seeing the joy and wonder in your kids' eyes as they experience a totally new culture, Whether it's trying chopsticks for the first time, watching a parade of festival dancers, or meeting friendly locals who are always excited to welcome travelers. So, is Japan a great destination for families? Absolutely yes! Whether you're exploring bustling cities, hiking through peaceful forests, enjoying theme parks, or simply soaking up the rich history and culture, Japan has something for everyone, even on a budget. If you've ever dreamed of taking your family to Japan, now's the time to start planning. And if you've already been, let us know in the comments. What was your favorite part of your trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more family travel adventures. See you next time.